thinking Scott. Thinking he was here because at that point I was like, I don't know what the only word I can think to describe that feeling is wee. That's what I was feeling.
Dude, go check yourself. Go check yourself in the mirror, dude. You gotta go check yourself in the mirror, dude. That shit's hilarious.
Like I knew you were like.
Check your eyes, dude. Look at your eyes.
I honestly, guys, that I was with, because these are the same guys I was telling you about where they were sitting there by the thing, you know, they're like, you want something? I'm like, no, I'm alright, you know. And I was talking to them because, like, they know, you know, they're more, you know, they know what's going on. And I'm like, will my eyes get all bloodshot and everything? And he's like, probably not. And he's like, you don't get it so much from the food. And he's like, unless it's really good. Like, he's unless it's good. He goes, then you might. And I'm like, well, I guess it was good.